Monkey Jew. I'm beginning to milliard in the gold where you call me Jew. Richard again, free Ufia bada. Monkey go so catoteri mafu. Bani iri annual I didn't go bio. But Rokotake back by Beji. Even you can do the area. And that way, you can make a jacket. I'm not playing any other than a woman. I'm going to add a new million. One day, I'm going to be here. Okay. This is Richie. All these are the animals we've killed for the celebration. This is the section of cow. Yeah. And this section is the section of pigs. Here, when the pigs are slaughtered, most of the sellers are women. You can see the women all waiting for the animals for them to take. So the women waiting. It is celebration. To buy their meat to go back. This is the pig section, and the pig is the favorite meat we use to celebrate our feast.